Kathy and I have been traveling. We drove from Florida to Oregon. We're staying in this campground right here, which is really nice. Weather's been really nice. And the reason we drove this far is we came to pick this up. This is a new to us 2017 Tiffin Phaeton. It is 38 feet long. It weighs 38,000 pounds. It is a 400 horsepower rear diesel pusher, which means it's got the engine in the back, and instead of being in the front, so it pushes instead of pulls. It has 4 slides. This one here is for the living room, and this small one here is for the bedroom. It has a whole bunch of storage underneath. We bought it, it had 12,750 miles on it, so almost 13,000 miles. This is the driver's side. Another slide in the rear for the bedroom, and another slide here for the living room. And again, more storage areas underneath. Coming into the coach, we see Romeo. It's like, where you been, Dad? The driver's station, front windshield, which is like driving down the road with a huge plate glass window. And this is the living area. Has a couch, and the end here pulls out and makes it into like an L, a recliner. The passenger seat and the driver's seat both swivel around, so you can face into the coach or out through the front windshield. Has a TV up front with storage. And in the living area, you have another TV, more storage, small eat-at table that pushes in, a fireplace, and on the other side you have the 2 dogs, more storage overhead, the kitchen. It has a 3-burner gas stove. There is no oven. A convection microwave. A full-size residential fridge, freezer, ice maker. Coming back into the bathroom area, you have a vanity with more storage, sink, and you have the bathroom, full-size shower, of course the ever-popular commode, a medicine cabinet, a little more storage in here. Then you come into the bedroom, and here you have overhead storage, queen size bed, a washer dryer, another TV, and drawers and more storage. Altogether, this thing has 4 TVs. There's one outside also. And this is our new new to us 2017 Tiffin Phaeton. And we should be heading back toward Florida starting in the morning. Thanks for watching.